Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken shower handle. Well, it isn't exactly broken. It came loose because the screw that keeps it tight came loose. And I'm going to tighten it back. Let's get started. Here's the handle. Here's my hex wrench. I have to figure out which wrench fits inside of the screw hole. Snug fit in there. I'm going to try out a couple of them to see which ones fits. This one kinda, but it seems too big. Then I'm going to put this one in here to see if it fits in there perfectly. That's not big enough. So I'm going to pull out another one, put it in. That's too big. So I'm going to put a different one in and to see how well it fits in there. Concentrate. That one fits just right. So I'm going to put it in and twist it. Now twisting it, I'm loosening it, and then I'm going to put the handle back on. Then I'm going to take my wrench and insert it inside of the screw hole. And I'm going to twist it, tightening up the screw. Now it's imperative that I don't tighten it up too tight because I don't want to strip the screw. Twist it clockwise until it's secure. And that's how you fix a shower handle. Let me know if you have any questions.